In this video, we will be discussing about problems based on boats and streams. So we have two situations, when the boat is moving downstream and when the boat is moving upstream. So in each case, let's cover how to find the relative velocity downstream and upstream. So in downstream, let's consider the stream of water, which is moving with velocity of the stream in downward direction. Now let's consider a boat which is moving in downward. So we will refer to it as velocity of the boat. Since the velocity of the boat and stream are in the same direction, we can write it as velocity in downstream will be equal to velocity of boat plus velocity of stream. Now in upstream, the water still goes downwards, so we will refer to it as velocity of the stream, but the boat is going in the opposite direction. So we will refer to it as velocity of the boat. So in this case, since the boat and the stream are in opposite direction, velocity upstream will be equal to velocity of boat minus velocity of stream. Let's consider the velocity of boat to be 8 meters per second and the velocity of stream be x. Then in this case, what will be the velocity downstream? So the velocity downstream will be equal to velocity of boat plus velocity of stream. That will be 8 plus x. And velocity upstream will be velocity of boat minus velocity of stream. That will be 8 minus x. Also keep in mind, the velocity of the boat will always be greater than the velocity of the stream. Now let's try some problems based on this type. A motorboat whose speed is 9 km per hour. So velocity of the boat is equal to 9 km per hour. Goes downstream 12 km. So the boat goes downstream 12 km and then returns in 3 hours. So again it goes back 12 km and the total time taken is 3 hours. So we have to find the speed of the stream. So let us take the speed of the stream is equal to x. So like I've already discussed, so the relative velocity downstream will be equal to velocity of boat plus velocity of stream, which is equal to 9 plus x. And the relative velocity upstream will be equal to velocity of boat minus velocity of stream, which is equal to 9 minus x. Now based on the question, time taken to go downstream plus time taken to go upstream is equal to 3 hours. The formula for time is equal to distance by speed. Now in both the cases, the distance traveled is 12 kilometers. So we can write time taken to go downstream will be 12 by speed is 9 plus x, and time taken to go upstream will be distance, which is 12 divided by upstream speed is 9 minus x is equal to 3. So what we will do first, let's take 12 common out. So in this case, if we take 12 common out, you will get 1 by 9 plus x plus 1 by 9 minus x, which is equal to 3. So let's cancel 3 and 12. So you'll get 4. So 4 into, inside the bracket, we can multiply 9 minus x into 1. So that will be 9 minus x plus 9 plus x into 1. So that will be 9 plus x by the denominators 9 plus x into 9 minus x, which is equal to 81 minus x square equal to 1. We can cancel minus x and plus x. So now 4 into 9 plus 9, 18 divided by 81 minus x square is equal to 1. Cross multiply. So you'll get 4 into 8, 32, 2, 72 equal to 81 minus x square. So x square is equal to 9. So x is equal to 3. Therefore, velocity of stream will be equal to 3 km per hour. You can try this question on your own. I'll give you a clue on how to write the time. So since time is equal to 4 hours 30 minutes, you can write 4 30 by 60. You can simplify this 1 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2 hours. Try out the problem. Once you're done, you can resume the video. So in this case, the speed of the boat is given as, so velocity of the boat is equal to 15 km per hour. Similar to the previous question, it goes upstream 30 kilometers and returns downstream 30 kilometers in a total time of 9 by 2 hours. So let's take the velocity of the stream as x. So relative velocity downstream will be equal to velocity of boat plus velocity of stream, which is equal to 15 plus x. And velocity upstream will be velocity of boat minus velocity of stream, which is equal to 15 minus x. So time taken to go upstream plus time taken to go downstream is equal to 9/2 hours. So we know time is equal to distance by speed. So distance to go upstream is 30 divided by 15 plus x, and distance to travel to go downstream is 30, and downstream velocity is 15 minus x, which is equal to 9/2. So let's take 30 common out. You'll get 1 by 15 plus x plus 1 by 15 minus x is equal to 9/2. We can simplify this. 3 tens are 3 threes are. So let's simplify inside the fraction. So 15 minus x into 1, so that will be 15 minus x plus 15 plus x into 1, 15 plus x divided by multiplying the denominators. 225 minus x square is equal to 3/2, and we have 10 outside. So minus x and plus x cancel. 10 into 15 plus 15, 30 divided by 225 minus x square is equal to 3/2. So 3 ones are 3 tens are, cross multiplying, you will get 225 minus x square is equal to 200. So minus x square is equal to minus 25, x is equal to 5. So speed of the stream is equal to 5 km/h.